Now, only on 9, we told you at 4 about a convicted sex offender found living in a Seminole County neighborhood for years, and most of the people in the neighborhood had no clue about his criminal past. It was only after a mother called police and told authorities he inappropriately touched her young daughter that authorities began to investigate his living situation. Channel 9's Jeff Coolidge began looking into this case yesterday. Jeff is now live with us. And Jeff, why didn't the man simply register to live at that home in Casselberry?
Actually, Greg, he tried several times since 2010, but the Seminole County Sheriff's Office denied him every time, and that's because that home is located less than 1,000 feet from a playground. Neighbors who live on Wingo Drive and on nearby streets told me they are shocked to hear this man, Stacy Mercer, a sex offender, was living so close by.
It's sickening. To me, it is.
That ain't right. I mean, if the police ain't already grabbed him out of the house, I will.
Mercer is charged with failure to report a residence change by a sex offender. According to Casselberry police, Mercer attempted to register the Wingo Drive address, which is his sister's home, back in 2010, 2012, and 2015, but was denied each time because it is located within 1,000 feet of a playground located at the Castlewood apartment complex. Over the years, he listed the Orlando Rescue Mission as his permanent address. Most recently, he listed this intersection at OBT and Silver Star Road as the place he slept at night to the Orange County Sheriff's Office. Mercer was not under supervision at the time. The Orange County Sheriff's Office told me today offenders are required to update their status. Unfortunately, it can get challenging to locate them at times, as we have so many sex offenders and many being homeless. Now, Mercer is being held on $15,000 bond in the jail. Police told me that they are still investigating the claims made by that young girl in the neighborhood, so he could possibly face more serious charges here in the future. Live in Casselberry, Jeff Coolidge, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.